$1 in $7 in U.S. healthcare is spent treating diabetes. That's more than $700 billion globally. It's a big problem. We can literally turn that around right now. Precina is a brand new type of medical practice with fully personalized medicine, where we create an expert plan by meeting the patient right where they are. We had a pilot study with 50 patients in rural Louisiana. Their average A1C was 9.6, and we reduced that to a controlled level of 6.4 in 12 weeks. That's jaw-dropping. It takes a whole new set of medical and clinical protocols, but we know how to do that. And now we're ready to show the world that we can do it. And with Salesforce's help, we're going to be able to scale to the millions of people that need this.
Agentforce as a product unifies all of these diverse capabilities for Precina to be able to deliver healthcare at scale and to be able to augment our human providers.
We have to recruit patients. And so we can use Agentforce to reach out to our providers and create awareness in the same way that a sales development rep would in any sales organization.
Agentforce will reach out automatically for us as soon as we list a lead in our CRM. The agent will offer them time to book an appointment with one of our teams so they can learn more about how they can help refer patients in.
We talk about the importance of scalability. Agentforce is going to play a major role in our ability to scale our practice from a training perspective.
Sales Coach is an exciting thing that we've got added into Salesforce because it's going to help our clinicians with our patients. We're going to be able to coach them through how to talk with people.
Can you tell a little more about how Precina differentiates itself from other companies that may help me manage my diabetes?
Absolutely. Precina is a very white glove approach to managing chronic diseases such as diabetes. We have entire teams dedicated to your care. We start where you're ready to start and take the small steps.
It's great because it also analyzes and gives you an AI summary of how you did.
We show them how to use these tools to do more of the work they are really excited about. I think we're going to see a lot of employee satisfaction. The things we think about are how fast can we get a patient in from first point of contact until first appointment.
It's not enough just to wait and call your doctor's office in the morning. Sometimes you need answers right now. Agentforce allows us to reach people in the time of urgency and autonomously connect them with either an appointment or even get somebody to call them right away. We are not a technology company. We exist to save lives.
Salesforce enabled us not to worry about security, HIPAA compliance, because we knew that we could trust Salesforce to help us with those very important parts of our business. There's big problems in healthcare. We can lighten the load for everybody without making it a heavier load for us. With Agentforce, our dream of reaching 1 billion people is a reality.